Understanding bass tab in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into an interesting pair of words that might be familiar to music enthusiasts: bass tab. Let's uncover what it means and how it's used. Bass and tab are two distinct words. Let's take a moment to understand them individually before combining them. 1. Bass. This refers to low-frequency sounds or tones. In music, it often refers to the lower range of notes or to the instruments that produce such sounds, like the bass guitar or double bass. 2. Tab. Short for tablature. This is a method of writing down music, especially for stringed instruments. Instead of standard musical notation, which focuses on pitches and rhythms, a tablature shows where to place your fingers on the instrument. When you put these two words together, bass tab, you're referring to a tablature for a bass instrument, most commonly the bass guitar. It's a way of writing bass guitar music that shows where to put your fingers on the fretboard, rather than indicating musical pitches. For learners of English, it's important to understand that this term is quite specific to the world of music. If someone mentions a bass tab, they're likely discussing how to play a particular song or melody on a bass guitar. To help you better understand, here are a few sentences using bass tab. 1. Can you find the bass tab for that new song? 2. I'm trying to learn this piece, but the bass tab is a bit complicated. 3. He writes his own bass tabs for all the songs he plays. There you have it. Bass tab is a musical term that refers to the tablature notation for bass instruments, mainly the bass guitar. It's an essential term for budding bassists and those interested in music. We hope this explanation clarified things for you. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.